Once upon a time, nearly 150 years ago, a German physician analyzed 1 million temperatures from 25,000 patients and concluded that normal human body temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The study done by Karl Reinhold August Wunderlich was correct at the time, but is no longer accurate because the human body has changed. Today, they say the average normal human body temperature is closer to 97.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Our internal thermostat lies in the hypothalamus, an almond-sized area of the brain that induces us to sweat when we need to cool down and shiver when we need to warm up. Body temperature rises with exercise, in hot weather, and after taking some types of drugs, including some antibiotics and antihistamines. So how do we measure temperature with fever? By taking a temperature of the temporal artery running through the forehead and a temperature of the inner eye duct. We provide the most accurate indication of having an elevated skin temperature by combining a proprietary algorithm with a sensitive thermal camera. What about FDA approval? Good question. In April 2020, the Food and Drug Administration issued a guidance for the use of thermal cameras to detect elevated body temperature. The guidance does not require FDA approval if you are following the guidelines provided. Anyone that tells you otherwise will need to catch up a bit. Here at X Labs, we provide a suite of fever detection solutions: fever non-contact thermal imaging, fever verified disposable thermometers, and fever pre-check. Come join us on our website to gather some more interesting facts on fever detection. www.fever.tech